Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Um, Tonight is Tuesday, December the 27th. This will be our last recording for the year of 2022. Next week is the first week of 2023. Amazing how quickly this year went by. Tonight we have a little different format for us. We'll start out the same with our disclaimer, and my lovely wife will read that for us. Let me get that up on the screen. How are you doing, hon?
Yeah, we're so glad that to be able to give this information. David, the information that we give is really vital to having the best health potential that we can. And tonight we're talking about something a little different. I'm going to read the FDA disclaimer. Different in the means that we don't always think about the health of our teeth and gums. What happens if we don't take care of our mouth? So I'm going to go ahead and read the disclaimer and we'll get started with that. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. Any products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. And this presentation is not intended to provide diagnosis, treatment, or medical advice. Products, services, information, and other content provided in this presentation, including information that may be provided in this presentation directly or by linking to third-party websites, are provided for informational purposes only. Please consult with a physician or your favorite healthcare professional. So go ahead and let you get started, David.
All right. And this is the disclaimer that we must have on here for any natural products that we discuss. And we will do that here in just a moment. And as Dawn said, we're talking about teeth and gums and the relationship to glutathione. As you know, we talk about glutathione, this really beautiful little molecule, a tripeptide, 3 amino acids bound together. And the center of that is where the magic happens. That's the sulfur atom there at the end of that little chain right there in the cysteine molecule. Now, for teeth and gums, if you go to the NIH website, which is pubmed.gov, and type in glutathione in teeth, you'll get not that many articles, just 159 articles, but there's more if you qualify your search with gums or mouth or other terms. So the first article specifically dealing with teeth and glutathione was written in 1975. Last 2-3 years, 58 more articles. There's been really a lot of interest, even though it doesn't seem like that. This is really a key component of our redox physiology, that is the oxidation and removal of free radicals from our bodies. Is also key to our hormone production, our energy production, our immune function itself, and our cells being able to divide and create more of themselves. Now, tonight, like I said, I'm just going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to hit some of those titles instead of reading the articles. We start out, this is the one from 75, demonstration of adenosine triphosphate hydrolysis in the enamel organ of the mouse incisor. And yes, this does mention the importance of glutathione in the function of the teeth and the enamel. Then our second one, activity of enzymatic antioxidants in periodontitis, a systematic overview of the literature. Then the association between dental oral health in young adults, and salivary glutathione, lipid peroxidation, and salicylic acid levels, and carbonic anhydrase activity. And this is all to do with the health of our teeth and gums. The fourth one, salivary antioxidants as periodontal biomarkers in evaluation of tissue status and treatment outcome. And finally, enzymatic antioxidants activity in gingival clavicular fluid and saliva in advanced periodontitis. So you'll see these are very specific in periodontal disease. What you dentists out there will know is the major disease that we have of the teeth and gums. Now, oxidative stress, which we talk about a lot, is an imbalance between the production and the accumulation of oxygen reactive species or reactive nitrogen species, which we don't talk about a whole lot, in our cells and tissues, and the capacity of detoxifying these products using enzymatic and non-enzymatic components such as glutathione. This paragraph is interesting. Friedreich's ataxia, Dravet syndrome, Lafforia disease, neurodegenerative disorders with brain iron accumulation, Charcot-Marie tooth disease. Now, this is a rare neuromuscular disorder. Also inherited retinal dystrophies, progressive myoclonus epilepsy, unvariced Lundberg disease. What do these things have in common with teeth and gums? All of these conditions share oxidative stress as a common factor and do share a quote. The concept of oxidative stress and rare diseases were formulated in the 80s. Since then, the link between them has not stopped growing. We have a huge amount of literature that documents the relationship of oxidative stress to diseases of every part of the body and definitely with the mouth, and that connection with glutathione. Rust. You can see our little picture on the side here of rust, how it damages metal. Now, what is rust? It's oxidative damage. We can rust from the inside, which is what one of my naturopaths told me. He said, you're rusting from the inside out. And I didn't know what that meant at the time. What he meant is oxidative damage to the cells and cell structures. This includes your mitochondria, which are your energy-producing parts of your cells, your DNA, which is the blueprint of you, lipid peroxidation, and that's the destruction of fat and oils, the things that make up all of your cellular structures. And again, our glutathione, our tripeptide, made up of glutamine, cysteine right there in the center, and glycine. Three very important amino acids that we must get from the outside to create this beautiful structure in our cells. Now, we have a lot to thank these doctors for. Dr. Gustavo Bonas and Patricia Kongshaven were instrumental in discovering immunocal, and Dr. Wolf Droog also helped with a lot of the research and put his expertise in aging and cancer into the mix as well. And our excerpt from the physician's desk reference, that is the huge drug catalog that your doctor will consult when looking at prescribing a medication for you. This is one of the very, very few natural products. And the first one which was inducted into the PDR. Immunocal assists the body in maintaining optimal concentrations of glutathione by supplying the precursors required for intracellular glutathione synthesis. It's clinically proven to raise glutathione values. Now you notice in there it doesn't say anything about diagnosing, preventing, or curing, or treating any disease process. Immunocal raises glutathione levels. It's the glutathione that your body makes that does all the work. Now, according to examine.com, although it's critical, that is talking about glutathione, for a number of processes, it is limited use as a dietary supplement due to the rapid breakdown during oral ingestion. That is, it is digested by your digestive system, attacked by the enzymes that attack all of your food. The metabolite L-cysteine can increase glutathione in the body, but consuming L-cysteine via glutathione or glutathione itself is very inefficient and costly. Only a tiny, tiny portion of the cysteine ever makes it to your cells. So these are the products that we're talking about. Glutathione precursors, you see right there on the box, it says Immunocal, glutathione precursor. And for each packet, there's 10 grams of 10 grams of Immunocal, which helps to raise your glutathione levels, scientifically proven, over 400 research articles and 80 patents worldwide that prove what this product does. Now, the silver box up there, the Immunocal Platinum, also says glutathione precursor. This has the special formulas that Dr. Droge developed to help with osteoporosis and muscle wasting that are common in disease processes or for over exercise, especially for high-level athletes. Now, what I want you to do, since I just went over those titles of those articles very quickly, I'm going to give you that website again, and it's going to be in the information below. So please read that, like and subscribe, and go to pubmed.gov. That's pubmed.gov. Look up these articles for yourself. Don't rely on me. Don't believe what I'm saying. Do your own research. Prove to yourself what glutathione can do for you, and then get back to us, and we can direct you to somebody who can help you to obtain these products. And here's to your health. Have a wonderful day.
Hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, we want to let them know who we are. We are the Meta C, so we would also like for you to go to our website. There's more information
Yes.
there about toxicity.
And that will also be in the information below. The website that she's talking about is the Meta C, or the Meta F actually, .org. You'll see it in the information below. Click on the link and visit our website. You'll also have our phone number and our email address that you can reach us at.
Right. So we want to let people know that you do need to get back to us. We're happy to help you. We have a team that is very good at directing you. This isn't really something you can do alone. You need help knowing how to order, learning how to use the product, how to mix it. So we are very happy to assist you with that. And next week, we're going to be talking about muscle and sport, the Immunocal sports. We'd like to invite you back for that. We have these every Tuesday.
Now, that's a very interesting subject, so please do join us. Again, the Immunocal Platinum was created with the idea of helping to maintain a healthy body, during extremely stressful times such as extreme sports. And there, like Dawn mentioned, there is a new product, a new version called Immunocal Sport, and we'll be featuring that next week. Do you have
Thank you
anything
for
else, dear?
joining us. Nope,
Yeah,
that's it. All the information is at the bottom or under the video. So you can contact us and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for being here tonight.
absolutely. Have a wonderful end of 2022.